Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Betterment with TaxSmart Cash Management, detailed guide step-by-step clear. To withdraw from Betterment using TaxSmart Cash Management, start by logging into your Betterment account. Once logged in, navigate to the cash reserve section of your dashboard. Here, you will find your available cash balance. To initiate a withdrawal, click on the Withdraw button. Next, select the amount you wish to withdraw. You can choose to withdraw either a specific dollar amount or the entire cash reserve. After selecting your withdrawal amount, choose your external bank account for the transfer. If you haven't linked a bank account already, you will need to add a new one. Ensure that your bank account information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once your bank account is linked, review the withdrawal details provided on screen. Make sure you understand any potential tax implications related to your withdrawal. Betterment offers tax-smart strategies to help minimize your tax burden. If you want to take advantage of these strategies, consider consulting with a tax professional. After confirming all details, click Confirm Withdrawal to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once your withdrawal request is submitted. Funds typically take a few business days to appear in your external bank account. Keep an eye on both your Betterment account and your bank account for updates. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Betterment's customer support for assistance. This completes the process of withdrawing from Betterment with TaxSmart Cash Management. Feel confident in your ability to manage your withdrawals effectively. Always stay informed about your financial decisions for better long-term outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.